it's Jennifer Nicole and welcome to my video on my Fat Fruit Flush Detox and Cleanse. If you guys want to wake up with flat abs, with defined abs, abs that are not bloated, cramping, hurting, and you want to have definition where you actually squeeze your abs and you can feel your muscles work. When you wake up like this, then you want to join my Fat Fruit Flush Detox and Cleanse. We're starting March 1st for 6 days. It is open to VIP members, of course, and then also I felt like I needed to include non-members just to help jumpstart anyone out there that might be waking up feeling bloated, feeling crampy, feeling like they just need a jump start. Maybe your metabolism has jet lag. Maybe you're feeling a little bit sluggish, maybe even like mental fog. And you want to just jump start your abs. You know, your core is everything, your gut is everything. And when you do a detox and cleanse, your body responds to everything else you're doing. So if you're working out and eating healthy but not getting the results you need, then this 6-day Fat Fruit Flush Detox and Cleanse will jumpstart your metabolism, turn up your fat burning furnace, and help you just churn the fat faster. And it's a great way because it's spring. Spring is when March is when spring starts. So as we spring into spring, I want you to spring into your fitness program, and it's so easy. So I'm actually going to show you. I'm having my detox tea. Now this is not a skinny tea. This is just a tea with apple cider vinegar, and it's so good. It's got that little tangy tartness to it because the apple cider vinegar. Thanks for the love. Hey Ratiba, I love you. Terry, Brooke. So this is something that I do every day. Hot water with lemon, also apple cider vinegar. Choose your favorite tea. Tea just kind of cleanses, full of antioxidants. You get that little glow. Delicious, delicious, delicious. And then during my workout, I added a little bit of lemon so you can see. I actually squeeze lemon in here every day, but I added lemon so you can actually see, and a little pineapple too. And I'm going to share with you my favorite supplements that I use when I'm doing my Fat Fruit Flush Detox and Cleanse. My little Truly Trim drops, and look how easy this is. You can transform your water, just a couple of drops right here. This helps you burn the fat safely and effectively. So you can just add it to your water. You can add it to your tea, doesn't matter. Add it to whatever you're drinking. You can even just drop it underneath your tongue. We have some True Formula, which is great, chock full of vitamins, minerals, things that your body needs. Lanaza, which is just ground flaxseed, plus so much more. So it's only $1 to sign up, going to charity. I will personally match everyone that signs up because I like to stay inside the cycle of the miracles and blessings and prosperity and joy. So you're going to learn about fat-crushing superfoods. What is leaky gut? Do you guys feel like sometimes your gut just leaks? This is a very important thing to talk about because if you're constantly bloated, you might be suffering from leaky gut. Those women out there who have had to take chronic antibiotics, maybe the lining of your gut has started to become where things can just leak out, and it actually starts seeping what you're eating into your body, and then you're having allergic reactions, you're getting sick a lot, and you're like, why am I getting sick, and why do I always feel stuffy with these allergic reactions? This is going to really help you. I'm going to share with you my favorite juicing recipes, plus so much more. Okay guys, so as you can see, you're getting tons of value for $1. Also, 30 days of fat crushing meal plans, whether you're vegan, plant-based, a pescatarian and you only eat fish, or if you're a meat eater. I have everyone covered. That's included with your $1. Also my favorite juicing recipes. So you guys have time to get that $1 into my PayPal link. It is actually in this description. And then once you do, you'll be automatically emailed all the information you need to do this 6-day cleanse as a group with everyone. If you want more, join JNL VIP. Your first month is $1, $25 after that every month, no contract, cancel anytime. And guys, there's no better time right now to get healthy, right? I want you guys to wake up and feel strong glutes, strong legs, strong abs, strong attitude. Also, the daily inspiration. A lot of people say, oh, I belong in a gym. Well, great, congratulations. The daily aspirations and inspirations and motivation and support you get from the VIP group is unmatchable. You actually need it. You are probably silently suffering inside for lack of not having good, high quality relationships with other women. It just pains me to see women go through life alone, scared, isolated. When you live in isolation, it's easy to have an easy life because you're kind of like shut down. You're like there by yourself and you don't want to connect with other people. You're like a seclusive recluse. I want you guys to get out and live vibrantly, connect. That's where the magic is. When you empower each other, that's when you wake up excited about life. Okay, guys, so go to JNL VIP. How do you join the Fat Fruit Flush Detox and Cleanse? I want you to go to jennifernicolelee.com. There's a link right there that says Fat Fruit Flush Detox and Cleanse. Click right there, put in your email, and then pay the $1, and you'll be getting my secret guide right here. Look at this. It's like a white paper from a college, PhD, right here. Look how thick this is. Woo! You're going to get a lot. All right, guys, so I'm going live at 9 a.m. in the VIP room, and just love you guys. Nothing but magic and miracles with the VIPs, and I'm addicted to the Positive Vibe Tribe. All right, guys, let's get those abs all tight and toned. I'll see you guys soon. I believe in you. Go to jennifernicolelee.com for more. Let's do this. Love you. Mwah.